Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're making some fucking veggie jambalaya. Alright, you're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil, a fucking onion, some carrots, a red bell pepper, garlic, some rice, salt, pepper, diced fire roasted tomatoes, black-eyed peas, some fucking, it's supposed to be vegetable broth, chicken broth, orca, and chicken, and that. Also gonna need oregano. It's supposed to be cayenne, I don't got it, so we're using chili powder, a little bit, and thyme. We're using Creole seasoning. So I got 2 cups of rice cooking, onion, and we're looking for slices, little slices. A whole bulb of garlic. Put in my big ass thing of garlic. 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, just a dash of cayenne, teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 1 of ground thyme. Salt and pepper's here and we're in effect. Slice that shit up. Take a pot, fucking put some extra virgin olive oil, medium heat that shit, and then we take that. Yeah, get your onions and carrots ready for deployment. Black-eyed peas, because this is the giant. Strain my lovely lady humps. So we're gonna fucking throw onions and carrots in there. Get about 6 minutes. Okay, now we take our peppers, throw them in that bitch, stir them up and wait for 3 minutes. And while we wait, garlic and all our spices and shit, and stir it up. Then we add our tomatoes, stir this shit up. So I added about 1.5 cups of rice, get mixed. Now we're gonna take our 2.5 cups of chicken broth, add it. 1, 2.5. Add the chicken and bring it to a boil. Cover it for a total of 5 minutes while you wait. You know, I kind of lost track of what's happening, so we're kind of eyeballing. Okay, yeah, cook it, just cook it. We're bringing it down to a simmer for 15 minutes. We're gonna add the black-eyed peas. Then we're gonna add half of the okra Winfrey. Stir it up 10 more minutes. 10 minutes, Bobo. Alright, well, let's give it a taste. Rice, yes. It was just good. Hella good. Cracking as a motherfucker. Alright, blood. I'll catch you later. That's what it looks like. I forgot to film it.